Sawadika! It's Lisa of BLACKPINK. Charot. Hey, what's up guys? It's Ruth and this is how I do it solo. So welcome back to another BLACKPINK transformation video, and this time I'm going to be recreating Lisa. So again, it will be a two-part video. The first part will be all about the makeup, and the second part will be all about the style. So a little background on Lisa. Lisa is from Thailand and she's the most followed BLACKPINK member, right? And her style is a little bit sexy, fierce, edgy, streetwear, and of course, hindi mawawala ang kanyang signature bangs. Sorry, medyo awkward. I tried to recreate it as close as possible. And then when it comes to her makeup, I always notice that she has really long lashes and she always has this winged eye for her eyes and kind of a pale face, almost like mysterious, sexy, edgy look. So for the makeup, I chose the makeup that she had when she went to Paris for Celine Fashion Week. Her look there was kind of a smoky eye, brown, winged eye, pale, with a very beautiful lip. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just continue watching this video. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to put on the exact lenses that Lisa had on that day for her Celine Fashion Week look. It's the Olens Island Grey. So thank you so much, Olens, for sending this. I've been loving it. I've been using it almost every day kasi they're so comfy and I super love the colors. So this is what it looks like. Okay, for the next step, I'll be using a foundation a little bit lighter than my skin shade kasi yung skin ni Lisa doon parang sobrang pale. Parang gusto nila ma-achieve yung medyo pale, gothic, vampy look. So we're going to create that. And I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear in the shade True Beige. Okay, once that blended, I'm going to contour the shapes of my face para mag-create tayo ng shadows. And kasi Lisa's face is really like snatch and really sobrang V-shape, so we'll try to achieve that. I'll be using the Into It eyebrow palette to shade my nose. I'm just gonna use the lightest shade. I'm going to draw the nose line, and I will connect it to my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to slightly contour my face using the Benefit Cheek Glitter Bronze Squad palette, and it comes with the Hoola bronzer. Everyone is familiar with the Hoola bronzer, right? Just really slightly because Lisa's makeup that day was kind of really just fresh and pale, not much of color because the focus was on the eyes. And that's it, the base is done. Now I'm gonna bring you closer so we can focus on the eyes. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'll be using the Sunny's Face Life Brow in the shade Ash Brown. Kasi yung eyebrows ni Lisa, it's the same color as her hair. So I'm gonna try to change the color of my eyebrows a little bit to make it more lighter. So since it's a Korean look, I'm trying to make it as straight as possible because they still love the straight eyebrows. Okay, now for the eyes, I researched and nakita ko ng ginamit ng makeup artist ni Lisa is the Chanel Beige eyeshadow. So I'm going to use similar colors from that palette to create my eye look. I'm going to use the Jet Setter eyeshadow palette from Skin Potion. And I'm going to start with a light base. I'm going to use this Canberra. So we're going to create a sort of brown smoky eye look. And the key to that is to blend and be patient with your shadows. Nakita ko na for me, it helps if onti lang yung nasa brush ko and then I blend it out really well. It doesn't matter how many times I dip into it. Parang kahit na paulit-kulit kong patungan, okay lang sa akin kaysa sa sobrang dami ng laman at mapasobra. Next, I'm going to use a more brown shade. This is called Hampshire. I'm going to use a more darker shade. This is called Bucharest. I'm going to create sort of a cat eye just here at the outer part of my eyelid. Next, we're going to use the same shade, but I'm going to use a different brush, eyebrow brush, and I'm going to use it to draw sort of a guide for the actual cat eye. Okay, now the next step would have to be to put on my eyeliner. Pero I kind of want to curl and put on mascara first para hindi ko masira yung eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is waterproof. Lately, ito yung favorite go-to mascara ko kasi napapakapal at feeling ko may false eyelashes ako pag nagamit ko ito. And important din yung lashes underneath. Okay, now I'm going to be putting on my eyeliner. I'm using the Colorette liner, liquid eyeliner in Cleo. So I'm gonna start with lining my eyelids. And then I'm going to wing it out. Follow natin yung guide na ginawa natin kanina. That was hard. Because my eyes look like Lisa's now. Next, I'm just going to add a little bit of sparkle to my eye and add a little bit of gold and copper. I'm gonna be using this Budapest. I'm going to be putting it on my eyelid. Sort of give it just that, a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to be using the same shade Budapest and I'm going to be putting it under. And then Lisa's eye look, medyo extended yung eyeliner niya sa inner corners. So I will add a little bit in the inner corners. Also, I will be putting it on my waterline. Okay, and that's the final eye look. Next, we're going to do the lip. So Lisa has this kind of orange nudish lip. I'm going to be using the Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in the shade Nudist and Vacay. So I'm going to be putting Vacay in the middle. And I'm going to be shading a little bit using the Nudist. And I think this is the final look. I'm just gonna be putting on some finishing touches and then I'll be right back. So that's it, guys. That's the final Lisa inspired makeup. Do you guys like it? If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to watch the part 2 of the Lisa recreating video, which will talk about the style and the fashion of Lisa. So that's it, guys. Woo! Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!